Come to our in-depth look at OSL Devices Limited, a technology disruptor in the fields of LED display, hearing aid solutions and mobile phone. In this video, we walk you through the company's financial results for the first half of fiscal year 2026, highlight key business strategy, and explore the market OSL is impacting. Whether you're an investor, analyst, or simply curious about innovative tech company in India, this presentation will give you a comprehensive. For diving into the number, it's important to note OSL Devices' safe harbor statement. The company emphasizes that this presentation is not a prospectus or an offer to acquire security. All forward-looking statements are subject to risk and uncertainty, including market trends, regulatory changes, and technological development. OSL Devices does not undertake any obligation to update these statements in the future. This transparency ensures that investors and stakeholders are guide you through this presentation. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover. Result highlights, a summary of the H1 FY26 results, management commentary, company overview, business model, growth drivers, market strategies for hearing aids and LED display, the mobile phone segment, and a detailed look at financial performance including the income statement and balance sheet. Each section is designed to provide clarity and insight into OSL Devices' operation and strategy. OSL Devices delivered a strong performance in the first half of FY26. The company's revenue from operations reached 14,813 lakh, a significant increase from the previous year. EBITDA also saw impressive growth, rising to 2,467 lakh. Profit after tax nearly doubled, reflecting robust operational efficiency and effective cost management. These results highlight OSL's ability to scale its business while maintaining profitability. Take a closer look at the year-on-year performance. Revenue from operations grew by 30%, while EBITDA increased by nearly 84%. The company's net margin improved to 20%, and earnings per share rose to 9. These metrics underscore OSL's successful execution of its business strategy and its ability to deliver value to shareholders. The upward trend in all major financial indicators demonstrates the company's resilience. Managing Director Mr. Rajendra Ravi Shankar Misra shared insights on OSL's strategic direction. The company's tiered product portfolio in hearing aids is designed to serve a diverse customer base, while collaborations with international partners like Fry Electronics enhance technological capability. OSL is also building a clinical network in India and expanding into private market channel. In the LED display segment, international partnerships and domestic collab. OSL Devices is headquartered in Delhi and is recognized as an end-to-end manufacturer of LED display and hearing aid devices, handling everything from design to installation. Recently, the company expanded its portfolio by entering the mobile phone segment under the Philips brand. The production capacity of 15,000 units for hearing aids and 4,000 units for LED displays annually, OSL is well positioned. OSL Devices operates across three main segments: hearing aids, LED display, and mobile phone. The company's integrated approach allows it to control quality and innovation at every stage. With a strong focus on research and development, OSL continues to introduce new products and technology, ensuring it remains at the forefront of its industry. This diversified portfolio not only drives revenue, but also mitigates risks associated with reliance on a single. OSL's product segments include hearing aids, LED display, and mobile phone. The company's annual production capacity stands at 15,000 units for hearing aids and 4,000 units for LED display. By leveraging its expertise in electronics manufacturing, OSL is able to deliver high-quality products that cater to both domestic and international markets. The recent entry into the mobile phone segment. Hearing aid segment contributed 21% to OSL H1 FY26 sale, with a modest year-on-year growth of 73%. While the growth rate is currently low, this segment remains a key focus area due to its potential for expansion, especially as awareness and accessibility improve in India and abroad. OSL's commitment to innovation and partnerships in this space position it well for future growth. LED displays are the largest contributor to OSL's revenue, accounting for 90% of H1 FY26 sale. This segment experienced a remarkable 41% year-on-year growth, driven by increased demand for digital advertising and enterprise installation. OSL's partnerships with banks and OEM have enabled large-scale deployment, making this segment a major growth engine for the company. Mobile phones and tablets segment contributed 90% to OSL H1 FY26 sale. This relatively new venture is already showing promise, with strong demand and exclusive rights for the Philips brand in India. The company's strategy involves targeting both feature phone and smartphone market, aiming to capture a significant share of India's rapidly expanding mobile market. OSL Devices operates a diversified business model, with revenue streams from medical equipment, display, and devices. The company targets a balanced revenue mix across its segment, aiming for EBITDA margins of 30% in medical equipment and 15% in display and devices. Growth drivers include price hikes in hearing aids and volume growth in LED display and mobile phone. This approach ensures both profitability and scalability. OSL Devices holds several prestigious certifications, including BIS licenses for digital BTE hearing aids and visual display units, as well as ISO certification for quality management. The company MDPA certification is particularly notable, as it is difficult to obtain and demonstrate OSL's commitment to regulatory compliance and product quality. These certifications enhance the company's credibility and open doors to government tender. OSL's growth is fueled by multiple drivers: expanding product line, strategic partnerships, and a focus on both domestic and international markets. The company's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market demand ensures sustained growth. By investing in technology and building strong relationships with clients and partners, OCL is well positioned to capitalize on emerging opportunities in the tech and healthcare sector. India faces a significant challenge in hearing care, with South Patisha with 18 billion population affected by hearing loss, yet less than Shunya Patisha have sought treatment. The country sells around 700 hearing aids annually, but treatment rates remain under 3 Patisha. There is only one audiologist per 500 people, highlighting a massive gap in awareness and access. OCL aims to bridge this gap through innovation. Globally, 488 million people suffer from hearing loss, but adoption of hearing aids remains below 10%. Barriers include access, affordability, and social stigma. Hearing aids are often misunderstood as outdated or only for the elderly, which further limits adoption. OCL's strategy focuses on breaking these barriers by offering modern, affordable solutions and raising awareness about the benefits of hearing care. Indian government ADIP scheme provides financial assistance for purchasing hearing aids, aiming to make these devices accessible to the hearing impaired. The Indian hearing aid devices market is projected to grow from $235 million in 2024 to $376 million by 2030. OCL leverages these initiatives to expand its reach and support more individuals in need of hearing solutions. Dia is positioning itself as a global hub for medical device manufacturing and exports. The Export Promotion Council for Medical Devices, EPMD, is driving trade deals and promoting Make in India products worldwide. India's medical device exports are growing at 14% annually, with the USA, Germany, and China as key markets. OCL is well placed to benefit from this trend, targeting both domestic and international sales. OCL's growth strategy in hearing aids includes offering a tiered product portfolio across various price points and technology. The company balances domestic and export sales to ensure revenue stability. Strategic partnerships with international firms like Fry Electronic enhance technology and market access, while a strong clinical network in India supports service delivery and brand trust. Strengthen its market presence, OCL is building a nationwide clinical hub supported by trained audiologists. The company is also expanding into private market channels, including wholesale, retail, doctor touchpoints, and online platforms. This dual approach ensures wider reach and improved service quality, enhancing customer trust and driving sales growth. Indian LED display market is rapidly expanding, driven by demand for visually impactful advertising across sectors like retail, sports, transportation, and hospitality. The market is expected to grow from $81 billion in 2024 to $18 billion by 2030. Product trends include auto, indoor, and fine-pitch LED displays for both large-scale and close viewing applications. OCL's strategy for LED display includes entering international markets through collaborations with leading OEM, establishing nationwide partnerships with banks, and aggressively acquiring key institutional clients. This approach enables large-scale, multi-location rollouts and positions OCL as a preferred partner for enterprise and government clients. OCL's client base for LED display includes leading banks and institutional clients across India. These partnerships enable the company to deploy its products at scale, supporting enterprise-wide digital transformation initiatives. The strong client portfolio is a testament to OCL's reliability and technological expertise in the LED display market. OCL Devices has secured exclusive rights to manufacture and distribute Philips mobile phones and tablets in India. The company's strategy involves a phased entry, starting with feature phones and expanding to smartphones. The feature phone market alone is expected to generate 10 crore annually, while the smartphone segment could reach 4 lakh crore in revenue. This partnership positions OCL to disrupt the Indian mobile market. OCL's mobile division is evolving rapidly, with initial pilot orders of 100 units followed by subsequent orders exceeding 300 units. The company's emphasis on operational efficiency and responsiveness to market needs is driving continued momentum. By leveraging the Philips brand and focusing on both manufacturing and distribution, OCL aims to capture a significant share of India's mobile phone market. OCL Devices' financial performance in FY 2024 reflects strong growth across all key metrics. Revenue from operations increased by 30%, EBITDA grew by 84%, and profit after tax nearly doubled. The company's net margin improved to 20%, and earnings per share rose to 9. These results demonstrate OCL's ability to scale efficiently and deliver value to shareholders. Income statement for FY 2024 shows total income of 1488 lakh with cost of goods sold at 11,294 lakh. EBITDA reached 467 lakh and profit after tax stood at 61 lakh. The company's EBITDA margin improved to 16%, reflecting efficient operations and cost control. These figures highlight OCL's strong financial health and growth trajectory. OCL's balance sheet as of FY 2024 shows total assets and liabilities of 264 lakh. Shareholders' funds increased, with reserves and surplus rising to 15,548 lakh. The company's asset base grew, driven by investments in property, plant, and equipment, as well as increased inventory and trade receivable. This strong balance sheet supports OCL's ongoing expansion and investment in new opportunities. Summary: OCL Devices Limited has demonstrated robust growth in FY 2024, driven by innovation, strategic partnership, and a diversified product portfolio. The company's strong financial performance, expanding market presence, and commitment to quality position it well for continued success. As OCIL continues to innovate and expand, it remains focused on delivering long-term value to all stakeholders. Thank you for joining us on this journey through OCIL's finance.